Anyway, hi guys. Today we're gonna be doing the snowstorm. So let's get started. Anyway, let's start. Why is it so cold here? Freezing and it's so cloudy. My God. Let me go to the balcony because it's really cold. That was not supposed to happen. It was supposed to be a sunny day, you know? Well, I better check the weather. But today's not gonna be such a happy day for the kids because they only like sunny days. I don't know why, but I guess so. Where did the phone go? Who stole it? Phony. Where? Okay. I guess. Around here? No. Whatever. Come here. Okay, better. I guess we'll just use this. Oops. Wait, what? There's gonna be a snowstorm? I really hope it's not gonna be that bad. Why are you shouting? You literally interrupted my sleep. Sorry. Can you believe there's gonna be a snowstorm? Oh my God. We better not wake up the kids and tell them. Come on, let's get ready into some warm clothes. We're gonna go out and go buy something. Okay. This is so not good. It's only 5 a.m. right now. That means it could get even worse. It's gonna be up till tomorrow. Do we not have clothes? Oh, forgot. There's clothes here. Wait, what was the clothes I saw here? Someone can wear this. I'm wearing this. Nice and comfy for me. Okay, but I don't know what to wear. True, you really have any good clothes? Wear this. Perfect. Okay. Now we have to okay, you have to tell no, they normally like actually wake up at like 9 a.m. like 8 or 7 or 9 a.m. So we just have to be quick. Yeah. But this is not good. There's gonna be a snowstorm. I know it's gonna be so bad. We're here, but I need to break my hair, so no need for that anyway. Wow, why are you here? Get out, you big back. No, that's definitely not Hyde. But what was that? No, yes. I'm gonna see how it feels outside. Whoa, it's windy. Oh my God, I'm not going out there. It's really windy. I don't know what we're gonna do. Why does it sound like it's raining? I don't know. Go check outside. Whoa, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. This is not going to be so good. I know, but we have to be quick. So come on. What are we even going to eat? I don't know. Let's just quickly get fries and eggs. Okay, eggs are there. Anyway. Okay, let's just quickly eat that. After they ate. Okay, there's no need for this anymore. We just have to go outside. I know we weren't supposed to go to. I know we were supposed to go to like a shop or something, But this is a charity gift shop. Oh, wow. They have lots of nice stuff. Okay, well, we're only getting what we're looking for. More stuff like this. We just need one more, or at least 2 more. Because we haven't. Because what about our other kid? It's fine. We only need 2 for now. Okay, this hat is cute. And this, I don't think Ruby's gonna want this. It's fine. We don't need this. Let's just search. Okay, this is all I could really find. That's not really good enough. We might have to go to the mall. I know, they barely have any good stuff here. Guess I'll hold this and oops, no, not in that. You hold this. No, we'll get more. A bag. Let's go. Okay, we're here. So let's look on this little map. So where's the children's stuff? I'm pretty sure the children's stuff on the 2nd floor on the right. I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's check there. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep, we were right. So what do we need? I actually don't know. What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean you don't know? I never said I didn't know. Okay, then what are we gonna buy? I don't know. Okay, anyway, let's just find something because this looks cute, but this is a rain outfit. And plus it's only one. I'm gonna try this on her. Because these outfits look really comfy. I think we can take this one. We can take this one. I guess. Okay, wait. I don't know what to do because the rain's soon gonna get worse. We can't stay here forever. You know, I'll just wear this. I'll just wear this for now. Then I can't hold this. Oh, perfect. I think we should get some of these. Okay, let's go. This will pretend they leave. Hey guys, pretend it's 7:01. And they finally woke up. These ones woke up. Mommy. Yes? It's so cold. I know there's gonna be a snowstorm. What? Sissy, there's gonna be a snowstorm! Huh? Are you ringing me again? No, seriously, there's gonna be a snowstorm. No! What? How? Oh no, we're gonna die. I'm sure we're not gonna die. I'm just surprised. We've never had a snowstorm like in forever. No, I don't want to die. But I did bring some cozy stuff. I'm sure that we're not gonna die. Okay, you can have this. Oh, really? Yeah. I have comfy pajamas anyway. Then I bought this for you. And I bought this for you. Something in that face, it looked terrible. And then I bought, wait, who's this for? I forgot that one of them was a girl and one of them isn't. Yeah. This is not cozy enough. Bye. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna flush it down the toilet. Okay, you can wear this. And then you. You don't have any warm outfit. Oh, I shouldn't have threw that in the toilet. Dang it. What am I gonna do now? I mean, you can wear this, right? No, definitely not. Look at this. Definitely not. That jeez. I guess you could just wear this. Perfect. I don't know what we're gonna do, and I got this for somebody, but I don't know who. I don't want that. Mine's already warm enough. Yeah, yours is very warm, so you can keep that. I know I don't want to die. I don't know what to do. Just pretend the weather changed. Why is it so cold? It's freezing in here. Mom, is the heater on? Oh my god. Mom! Yes, sweetie? Is the heater on? I'm so cold. I know, I'm cold too. I agree with Sissy. We're all cold. So cold. So cold. So cold, so cold, so cold. So cold. Whoa, what's happening? Sweetie, this is gonna be a snowstorm, but just calm down. A snow what? And you want me to calm down? Mom. I ain't doing this. I'm traveling. So the cold travel is not gonna be it. Oh, let's go. Wear this. Oh my god. I am not wearing this. I'm staying in my pajamas. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Sissy, you can have this. My pajamas are warm. Okay. I'm going back into bed. Let me sleep. So cold. I don't know what to wear. I don't have anything good to wear. Dang it. I could still wear this, right? Oh my god. Guys, I'll come back later. I'll do a part 2.